Welcome to Grizz's workshop. This great lummox is Grizz.
Not an expert or an exemplar of safety.
Here I'm making denim micarta, the process of gluing layer after layer of denim together with resin. I've seen Peter Brown turn this and Blacktail Studio make a couple of tables out of it, and I'm going to show you how I sculpted with it. First off, I'm making a brick from denim and resin. I cut rectangles out of an old pair of jeans, lots and lots of rectangles. I made a small plastic mold to hold the denim and resin. As it's still too cold to cast epoxy in the workshop without incurring a large electric bill, I am doing this off camera in the house. I soaked every layer in resin and then stacked them on top of each other. Despite being soaked into the resin cured as if it was a thick block of resin, quickly and quite smoky. I had put a heavy weight on top so the bubbles would not weaken the build. I cut this out on the bandsaw into a neatish brick. This is every bit as hard and even stronger than a domestic stone brick. So this is kind of how it'll be. I'll just darken up a bit.
That looks remarkably like the DNA.
I cut a template for the blue tip.
Proving a theory, right? Remember my first time?
No action is required at this time.
That's vague. Come on, there must be something you can tell me.
Adopt 23 modules.
And then drew the outline from the template on the brick. I cut this out on the bandsaw. Once the profile was cut, I shaped it on the belt and bobbin sander. I first finished it with boiled linseed oil and some wax, but didn't like how dark it went, so I sanded it all off and just used the Renaissance wax. When I was on the beach in Norfolk the other week, I happened upon a piece of driftwood. I brought this home, cut the ends off, and split the middle on the bandsaw. I dried the ends in the oven so I could use them some. Didn't tell Mrs. Grizz. I covered the dry driftwood in resin over 2 pours, which gave her a great strength. Glue the little steel rod into the base and the blue tip make its legs. Here are the glamour shots. I think it looks great. This is Jean, the blue tit. This will be for sale at the Trio exhibition in Clyde Village Hall this Easter. Thanks for watching.
See you next time on Grizz's Workshop.